what we are only informing you that this, what do you see?
Okay, so let me first just lay out the facts. So what happened was that Father provided us the permission 2 days ago to have a peaceful gathering over here. So for those of you who were here earlier, you saw that that person came and started threatening violence, right? And we know who he works for anyway in terms of the other party. So the election officers or the observers and we came to the police and asked whether we had permission. So we had permission. They wanted to check with Father. We went to Father and he confirmed in front of them that he gave us permission. So he was going to write a written permission. So basically, but the property also belongs to or is under the control of the chapel administration. So he's also suggested that we take permission from the chapel administration at this late hour. So obviously time is running out and it's getting more complicated. What we decided that because there is threat of violence and we are not going to subscribe to that whether we have permission or not, we decided that we'd rather call it off rather than take on people and prove a point. Yeah, we don't want to prove any point over here. There is, and the chapel committee did have concern that there is issue or there could be violence, and we know that they will cause violence. So we'd rather not have violence than try to prove a manly point that we can have a session. Yeah. I know some of you all might feel that we should go ahead and have something. We've got permission and we've called people over here, but we'd rather not cause create a situation which cause disturbance for people around here. Given the situation, even if we are on the right side of the law, we'll focus on tomorrow, which is our last day before we go to polls on 3rd. And with that, let Father, just say a few words.
So, I mean, what I'm saying is, we are not losers. आम्ही शेणोंक ना कित्याक जाल्यार माबिनाक उलयना ते ताका भुरग्यांक त्रेत करूंक लागलो अबेस करूंक लागलो सगळीं जाणांची ओके आनी ताका लागून कितें केलें वायलन्स आनी त्रेत करता म्हूण आमी कडल्यान प्राधिकारा कडेन गेले प्राधिकारान माबिनान प्राधिकारा कडेन परमिशन मागलेलें खंयच्या दिवाडीच्या प्राधिकारान फादर कोण अनिल कुमार ताका सांगलें कोर म्हूण इगोचे भायर प्रॉपर्टी आसा म्हूण कोर म्हूण मागीर कितें जालें हेजें त्रेत येता म्हूण तो थिंगा येयलो मागीर प्राधिकाराच्या फुड्यान आनी दाखयता म्हणून कितें बरें तें म्हणून सोडोन ते त्रेत येयला म्हूण मागीर प्राधिकार म्हणलो ही चॅपल कमिटी आहा टेक्निकल असो म्हणलो ही चॅपल कमिटी आहा हे चॅपल कमिटीचे ते दिता जाल्यार बरें परमिशन आपणाची कांय आडकूं ना मागीर चॅपल कमिटी करून गेले ते उर्बान म्हूण रेगो उर्बा म्हणलो कितें ते रिकॉर्डिंग केलें कोणा कडेन कोण ऑब्जर्वर कडेन उर्बा म्हणलो अशें प्रॉब्लम जातलो जाल्यार त्रेत जाल्यार कोण जाल्यार अदीक बरें सो आमी सांगलें कितें हांवें ऑब्जर्वराक सांगलें आय वॉज टोल्ड द ऑब्जर्वर I told him that we will follow the law, we will be law-abiding people, we will always follow the law, we respect, and we don't want to support this threat. आमी जबरदस्ती करची आमी शेळ्ळे म्हणना वो आमी नो इगो देर इज अ थ्रेट दिस पर्सन इज सेइंग दिस सो वी आमी कितें म्हणटा ताका लागून ह्या मनशाक लागून वायट जावंक शकता आनी वायट जातलें देखून आमी बरे भाशेन शांतीन बंद करता.
No, but Father, are you giving a written complaint that there was a threat of violence?
Yeah.
And naming the individual involved?
Yeah, listen, what will happen is, we will discuss this, we will handle this, and we will do that. Okay? So what will happen is, main thing now is, keep the law, we'll keep the law, आमी कितें करचें जबरदस्ती करपाचें ना, तेणी जबरदस्ती केलें म्हणून आमी जबरदस्ती करपाचें ना, आमचो मॅनिफेस्टो कायंडनेस कितें दोळ्या आनी आमी शांतीचे मनीस, आमी पॉलिटिशियन न्हू आनी आमकां जबरदस्ती दादागिरी करपाचें ना रायट सो वील फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ कायंडनेस एंड यू नो वॉट सो अबाउट द टेक्निकल सायड वील हँडल एट द मोमेंट सो इलेक्शन बरे भाशेन जावन दी फाल्यांचो निमाणो दीस आहा कॅम्पेनीचो आमी तेजेर फोकस करूया आनी बेस्ट डिस्टर्बन्स करपाक न्हू एका मनशाक लागून आमचे पाड घालपाचें न्हू सो बरें तुवें दिसता
We wish you victory.
Mrs. Sena, you want to say something? Anything to people? You want to say anything to people? Sure. Am I right? All I have said is right. Okay. Thank you so much. So we call it off. Yeah. Thank you so much. And we are not calling it off. ऐका आमी शेणोंक ना ऐकात आनी आमी फाटीं सरून आमचे कार्य कितें आमचे कार्य शांती आनी आमचे कार्य दया सो आमची कायंडनेस वील कंटिन्यू रायट दया आमी घेवन चलतले आमकां दुस्पट करूं ना आनी जबरदस्ती करूं ना दादागिरी करूं ना आनी आमी शेणोंक ना आमी जिखले कित्याक आमी आमच्या काळजांतल्यान शांतीन चलत आसा देव बरें करूं आनी फाल्यां आमी कितें करुया आमची कॅम्पेन आहा ती चालूच आसूं लेट द कॅम्पेन ऑफ कायंडनेस कंटिन्यू डोंट हेव टू वरी So just put your help things like